Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Simple English Space, your comfy corner to learn English through real conversations. I'm Anna, and I'm here with my friend and co-host, Billy.
Hey everyone, it's good to be back. Today we're going to talk about simple conversation openers, or how to start a conversation in English.
Yes, sometimes the hardest part of speaking English is just starting. You see someone and you want to talk, but you don't know how. So today we'll practice different ways to begin a conversation. Easy, friendly, and useful in real life.
Let's start with something very simple. Imagine you meet someone new. You can just say, "Hi, I'm Billy. What's your name?"
That's perfect. And the other person might say, "Hi, Billy. I'm Anna. Nice to meet you."
Then you can continue with a question, something light and easy. For example, "How are you?" Or "Where are you from?"
Exactly. Let's try a short role play. I'll be a new person you meet. You try to talk to me.
Okay, let's go. "Hi, I'm Billy. What's your name?"
Hi, Billy. I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
"Nice to meet you too, Anna. How are you today?"
I'm good, thanks. And you?
"I'm doing well. Where are you from, Anna?"
I'm from Jakarta. How about you?
"I'm from Sydney."
That was a simple and friendly start. See? Not scary at all.
Not scary, and you don't need big words. Just start with a smile and say hi.
Now, let's learn some more ways to start a conversation. What if you're in a classroom?
Ah, yes. Maybe you're sitting next to someone new. You can say, "Hi, is this your first class too?"
Or you can ask, "What do you think about the teacher?" It's a way to start talking about something you both share, the class.
Exactly. Let's try another role play. This time, we're classmates.
Hi, is this your first time in this class?
Yes, it is. I'm a little nervous.
Me too. I hope the teacher is nice.
Yeah, I heard she is very friendly.
What's your name?
I'm Billy. And you?
I'm Anna. Nice to meet you, Billy.
Nice to meet you too, Anna.
Another great way to start a conversation. Use your situation. School, class, work, anything around you.
Now, what if you're at a party? Or maybe at a coffee shop?
Hmm. At a party, you can say something like, "Hey, I love your shirt." Or, "This music is great, right?"
Yes, that's a fun way to begin. You're giving a compliment or talking about something around you.
Let's do a quick role play at a party.
"Hi, I like your dress. It's really nice."
Oh, thank you. I got it last week.
"The music is really loud here."
Yes, but it's a great party.
"I agree. My name's Billy, by the way."
Nice to meet you, Billy. I'm Anna.
"Nice to meet you too."
See? It's all about being friendly. You don't have to be perfect. Just smile and speak.
Another tip. You can ask questions about the person. People love to talk about themselves.
Yes, you can ask, "What do you do?" Or, "What are you studying?"
Let's try. You ask me now.
So, Billy, what do you do?
"I work in a bookstore. I love reading. How about you?"
I'm a student. I study English.
"That's great. Do you like it?"
Yes, it's fun and useful.
That's another great way to connect. Ask simple questions, give short answers, and show interest.
Billy, what do you think about asking about the weather?
Oh, the weather is the most classic topic. Everyone talks about it.
It's easy and safe. You can say, "Nice weather today, isn't it?" Or, "It's so hot today."
Then maybe the other person says, "Yes, I hope it rains soon."
Let's try.
"Wow, it's really hot today."
Yes, I've been drinking so much water.
"Same here. I think summer is getting hotter every year.
Do you like summer?
I like spring better.
And just like that, you're having a conversation.
Remember, opening a conversation doesn't mean you need to talk a lot. Just start.
Here's a good sentence. Do you mind if I sit here?
That's polite and useful. Imagine you're in a cafe and someone is sitting at a big table. You can say, "Excuse me, do you mind if I sit here?"
No, not at all. Please sit.
"Thank you."
My pleasure.
Another useful opener, especially in public places.
Now let's talk about greetings. What are the most common ways to greet someone?
Well, the basics are hi, hello, hey.
And if you want to be more formal?
You can say good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Yes, and don't forget a smile.
A smile is international. No words needed.
Let's pretend we are meeting for the first time in a cafe.
Hello, mind if I join you?
Not at all. Please sit.
Thanks. I'm Billy.
Nice to meet you, Billy. I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you too. Do you come here often?
Sometimes. I like the coffee here.
Did you hear that? Do you come here often? It's a nice way to continue the conversation.
Or you can say, what's your favorite drink here? Simple questions open the door.
Another good opener is, excuse me, is anyone sitting here?
Yes, that one is useful on buses, trains, anywhere.
You can also say, hi, I don't think we've met before. I'm Billy.
Very good in work or school settings.
Let's try it. We are coworkers. Hi, I don't think we've met before. I'm Billy.
Hi, Billy. I'm Anna. I just started this week.
Welcome. If you need anything, just ask.
Thank you. That's very kind.
You see, one sentence can start a new friendship.
Billy, what about travelers? If you're in a new country.
Great point. You can ask, do you speak English? Or, can you help me, please?
Or even just, hi, I'm new here. Can you recommend a good restaurant?
Let's try.
Hi, I'm new here. Can you recommend a good restaurant?
Sure. There's a great noodle shop on 2nd Street.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
See? Helpful, polite, and natural.
And if you want to talk more, you can say, what do you do for fun?
That's a great question for casual settings.
Let's do one last example. You are meeting a friend's friend.
Hi, I'm Anna. I've heard a lot about you.
Hi, Anna. All good things, I hope?
Of course. It's nice to finally meet you.
You too. So, how do you know Sarah?
We studied together at university.
That's cool. What are you studying?
English literature. And you?
Computer science.
Simple, right? A few friendly questions and the conversation flows.
So, let's review. Some good openers are,
Hi, I'm Anna. What's your name?
do you mind if I sit here?
Is this your first time here?
Nice weather today, isn't it?
Hi, I don't think we've met before.
Hi, I'm new here. Can you help me?
Hi, I love your bag.
Use your surroundings. Be polite and smile.
Don't wait for perfect grammar. Just start.
Yes, start simple, start friendly.
And that's the key to everyday English.
Anna, sometimes people feel shy. What can they do if they are nervous?
Good question. If you feel nervous, just take a deep breath. You can start with something small, like just saying hi.
Yes, you don't need to have a long conversation. Even just a greeting is a good start.
Also, listening is important. When someone speaks to you, show that you are listening.
That's a great tip. You don't always need to say a lot, just show interest.
You can also repeat part of what the person said. For example, if someone says, I went to the beach yesterday, you can say, oh, the beach. That sounds fun.
Right. and that keeps the conversation going.
Another way is to ask follow-up questions. Let's try it.
I had a picnic with my family last weekend.
Oh, nice. Where did you go?
We went to the lake near my house.
That sounds peaceful. Did you swim?
Yes, and we also played games.
See how that works? Simple replies, short questions, and natural interest.
And don't worry about mistakes. Everyone makes them.
Yes, even native speakers make mistakes. The most important thing is to try.
That's right. If you say something and the other person doesn't understand, it's okay. Just try again or use easier words.
Let's give our listeners a few short, ready-to-use conversation starters they can practice.
Great idea. Here we go.
Hi, I'm new here. What's your name?
Hello. Do you come here often?
Excuse me, is this seat free?
The weather is nice today, isn't it?
Hi, I like your shirt.
Hey, are you in this class too?
Hello, I think we haven't met. I'm Anna.
Hi, I heard you're good at English. Can you help me?
Excuse me, can I ask you something?
Hi, do you like this place?
Try practicing these at home with a friend or even with yourself in the mirror.
You'll be surprised how fast you feel more confident.
And the more you practice, the easier it becomes.
You can also listen to conversations in English, like in this podcast, to learn how people talk.
Yes, listen, repeat, and speak. That's the best way.
All right, friends, that's all for today's episode of Simple English Space. We hope you feel more ready to start conversations in English, whether at school, at work, or just with a new friend.
Don't be afraid to speak. Your English doesn't have to be perfect. Just try and enjoy the process.
Thank you for joining us today, and remember, every big conversation starts with just one small word, hi.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss other videos.
We'll see you next time. Keep practicing and stay confident.
Bye for now.
Bye.